Hi, this is Nathalie from LineDotArrow from the Netherlands, and I am here to do the winner's drawing for the hashtag Books and Botanical Challenges 24. We played around with the freebies. We had 3 weeks of freebies, 3 different challenges, and there were also 3 kits that were in the September challenge bundle. I had 3 kits separate listed with a discount, but if you wanted to buy all 3, I made a bundle and it has a 50% discount. It still does for a few days. So because I wanted, if people want all the kits, it should be available for a lot of people, so that's why I added the 50% discount. The challenges we did with the freebies, the first one was creating a book page pocket. I did a folding with a book paper, and then you create those pockets, which was a lot of fun to work with, to be honest. And I created this with the freebies from week 1. The freebies are in my Facebook group and also on my Ko-Fi. On my Ko-Fi they cost you €1. In the Facebook group they are for free. And keep in mind, on Ko-Fi, when you pay like €1, I have to pay 20 cents to PayPal and 20 cents to Ko-Fi, so it's 60 cents. So it's not a lot that but just to be sure people just don't start downloading everything and sharing all over the world. What happened in April with my freebies, so that's why I stopped having the freebies on my Ko-Fi for free too. If you want them for free, you have to be a member in my Facebook group. The second week challenge was creating a tag book, which I had a lot of fun creating, to be honest. And I have videos of all 3 challenges. This is the front side. This is actually a spine from this piece and this piece. There was a spine over here. It was like so, and I just used this as a sort of a belly band thingy. And these are from another kit, the vintage people portrait. I'm not sure what the name is because I have so many kits, but this one too is also from that kit, and all the other stuff is all from the freebies and or the kit embellishment pieces, but mostly from the freebies. This goes in here and it can go like this, and then I just wrapped around a little ribbon, tuck it underneath, and then it's a closure. And the third week challenge was creating stacked butterflies, and I did that before. I have a kit that is Imagine that I have stacked butterflies in 2, but there you use only the same butterflies in different sizes, but these stacked butterflies have book pages or different papers. I added book page over here, different layers. Plus I also made the antennas from wire. This is just a tag that goes underneath the belly band, and I have the others over here. So this was part of the freebie, and these little elements are also from the freebies. And I believe I also have a, yeah, over here on a tag. Put it on here. I'm not done with the journal. I hope to be finished soon, but yeah, a new month is already starting also, so we will see. But today I'm going to do the winner's drawing for the giveaway. We had 5 Facebook groups in total participating, hosting the challenge. That is Savegeart, Two Sister Jam, Junk Journal Tutorials and More, and Sweet Pea Papers, and of course LineDotArrow, so it makes 5. And each group has their own winner's drawing. If you used one of the kits in your post and use the hashtag, your post would count as 2 entries, so your name will be in a name picker wheel twice. If you only work with the freebies, your name will be in a name picker wheel 1 time for each post in each Facebook groups. So you have a high chance of winning prizes, and sometimes people have like 3 prizes in 5 drawings. And if you do it right, you can end up with 9 kits. And if you are a winner in all the groups and you all have the first prize, you can actually have 15 kits for free. 15, that's a lot. The first prize is 3 digitals from LineDotArrow, the second is 2, and the third prize is 1. And I'm going to spin in a minute for the first prize to start with. And when your name pops up, you are a winner. I will delete your name completely from the wheel, so others can win too. And I do the same after the second prize drawing, so I can draw the third prize. If you are a winner, I would prefer if you contact me via my Etsy store. There is a contact seller button over there, because I find that messengers sometimes I don't see those messages that you send me. If we are not connected in some way, it is like a request to send me a message, but it doesn't always show up. So it would be best to contact me via my Etsy store. Use the contact seller button. And now I'm going to switch over to my laptop where I have the name with all the names, and let's start the drawing. Okay, this is the wheel with all the names. I'm going to spin 3 times. The first spin is going to be for the first prize. It's going to be 3 digitals from LineDotArrow. If your name pops up and you are a winner, you can contact me via my Etsy store, the Etsy seller button, and tell me which kit you want to receive. And please be detailed about which kit, because sometimes people say, I want the blue botanical one, and I'm thinking which one of the many. So it would help to speed up the process if you specifically tell me which kit you want to receive. And after the drawing, when your name popped up, you are a winner. Your name will be deleted from the wheel completely, so everybody has a chance of winning. And the first prize is going to be for Beatrice White. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it the right way. Beatrice was also a guest design team member for LineDotArrow this month, so thank you, Beatrice, for doing that. And she's so talented. You should check her out. Yeah, Beatrice, contact me. Beatrice can contact me via Messenger, so that's okay. I'm going to remove your name completely from the wheel. And now I'm going to spin for the second prize, 2 digitals from LineDotArrow. And the second prize winner is Sophie van Dalen. Congratulations, Sophie, and thank you for joining in. You can contact me via Messenger because we are already connected. And tell me which kit you want to receive. I'm going to remove your name completely from the wheel. And the last spin is going to be for the third prize. That is going to be 1 digital. Here we go. And the first prize winner is Becky Dawson. Congratulations, Becky. Contact me via Messenger or my Etsy contact seller button. Yeah, this is the drawing. I'm going to switch over real quick. One moment. Well, I'm just going to stay over here. I just cleared all the names. Yeah, thank you everyone for joining in with the challenges. We are going to run new challenges starting next month. It will be on the 5th that the first challenge video will be released with new freebies. Then we have 3 weeks of challenges, and the 4th week is to finish off all the projects and all the things you also want to create with the freebies and or papers. Just a note, you don't really need to make all the challenges exactly the same. You can do your own thing or do small things or just make a complete journal if you want. Anything is possible, so it's not just limited to that actual challenge. The challenge is just a guideline if you don't know what to make from the freebies. Usually the freebies are designed to do the challenge, but also you can do it whatever you want, of course. As long as you have the right hashtag and it is able to see for the admins if it's use of only the kits or only the freebies or a combination of both. But if it's a combination of freebies and the kits, it will still count as 2 entries. Then using the kit is leading to get 2 entries. If you only use the freebies, it's going to be 1 entry for each post. And not sure if you already saw, but Savegeart, Arlene was also in the design team, but she stepped down from being a design team member because she has so many things going on in her life. It's not possible for her to actually commit the way she wanted to commit. So yeah, she stepped down. I just to be sure, I didn't send her away, but she said it was best for her to not do design team, although she did like it, but it wasn't possible for her. Too many things to do in one day and so many things going on. So I completely understand. But that also means that she doesn't do the challenges in Savegeart anymore. So yeah, it's going to be a month to adjust, but Terry from Sweet Pea Papers and also from Junk Journals, Tutorials and more has a 3rd group for a week or 2 now. We did a welcome to that group challenge. It is Junk Journal and Papercrafts. That's the name of her Facebook group. And she will join in with the challenges too. So there still will be 5 groups hosting the challenge, but not anymore in Savegeart. So when you are trying to post over there with the hashtag, you can post, of course, but it doesn't count for any entry starting next month. Just so you know. And of course, we will repeat that in every video and also in the Linktree link with all the participating Facebook groups. But I just wanted to give you a heads up that it's going to change a little bit. But yeah, this is it for today. I hope, you enjoyed the challenges, the freebies, the kits. I know I enjoyed all your makings and see all your different things. It's always so amazing to see that people can use the same materials, same papers, but still end up with something completely different. So yeah, that's quite amazing. And I want to thank you all for joining in. I want to thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, leave a thumbs up. If you like it a lot, maybe you want to subscribe to my channel, leave a comment. I will try to answer your comment as soon as possible. Usually I do that within 2-3 days, but I really like seeing your comments. And yeah, I want to thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay creative. Greetings from the Netherlands, and I hope to see you the next time. Bye bye. Bye.